all aircraft on unauthorized UAS activity, midfield, over the terminal, kind of by the construction area, last reported between 300 and 350 feet. And the last report of that unauthorized UAS was towards the south end of the airfield, south of the terminal and construction area between 300 and 350 feet AGL. We don't have a type of color on it.
Tower Richard 5873, 10 left.
Richard 5873, Pitt Tower, wind 0507, room 10 left, clear to land.
10 left, clear to land, Richard 5873.
Sentinel aircraft unauthorized UAS between 10 center and 10 left. Last report was over the terminal by the construction area between 300 and 350 feet, moving southbound.
You still see the drone headed on the other side?
No, we're following vehicles that say they have them in sight, but from the tower we cannot see them.
Okay, copy that. We saw him. He was on the south side, headed on the other side of the airport away.
Okay, you saw, at what point on your approach, were you like half-mile final?
Yes, about 500 feet, and it was, looked like over the departure end of 10 left. Sorry, 28 right, the other way.
Okay, so now he's on the departure end of 28 right?
Correct.
Okay, 500 feet, thank you, sir. Did you happen to get a color on that UAS by chance, sir?
It looked white, silver or whitish.
Brickyard 5873, use caution, 500 feet was reported for the UAS departure in 28 right, silver, white in color.
I believe we see it as well, Richard 5873.
Is it off your left or right?
Kind of straight ahead.
Straight ahead, thank you. All aircraft, unauthorized UAS activity, approach end 10 left, 500 feet, silver, whitish in color.
Pitt Tower, Blue Streak 5657, third visual, 10 left.
Blue Streak 5657, Pittsburgh Tower. We just had a report of the UAS. They were over the approach in at 10 left, 500 feet, silver, whitish in color. Would you like to change the runway 10 right?
We're a little committed to 10 left right now. We'll stay here and I guess take a look for ourselves. Blue Streak 5657.
Blue Streak 5657, not a problem, sir. My last two arrivals made it down safely. Runway 10 left, clear to land. The wind 040 at 9er, gusting 16.
Alright, clear to land, runway 10 left, Blue Streak 5657.
Do you have any information? Like, did you get maybe the type or the size of that?
No, it's, I'm looking right now, like it's 10 o'clock, kind of over towards that FedEx hangar. Above the trees, it just looks black, but you know, it could be any color.
Hey, right now, to your 10 o'clock.
That's affirmative, over the FedEx hangar.
Thank you.
Tower Southwest 1121.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I meant to tell you, I might have told you that wrong. It was the other runway, 10 right, off the departure end of 10 right is where we saw.
Southwest 1121, no problem, sir. I think that thing just moved northwestbound on us now, so.
Okay.
Sentinel aircraft that are listening to Pitt Tower. We are in a ground stop, multiple UAS activity all around the airfield that we're not talking to. Blue Streak 5657, you can make the right of Bravo 4, Bravo eastbound, and did you happen to see the UAS?
Alright, Bravo 4, Bravo eastbound, negative sighting UAS, Blue Streak 5657.
Thank you, sir. Ground point 9, enjoy your day.
Ground point 9,
Ground American 1916, we're at gate 36, request push.
American 1916, this is the tower. The ground's 121.9. But I'll tell you what they're going to tell you. We're in a ground stop. There's unauthorized drone activity at the field. So you push if you want, but you won't be able to taxi out. They're working on getting us a departure runway.
Okay, thanks a lot. I appreciate your help, and I'll switch to them and make the request. Thanks.
Okay.